I don't live close to a one small town. Can I contribute my 3 hours remotely from another country? Well, that is something that we're working on. And I believe that very soon we will have a system where people with special skills or abilities and talents that they want to contribute, if they live remotely outside of a one small town, maybe you live in New York City or Sydney or London or Buenos Aires or wherever, but you want to contribute towards a one small town initiative, there'll be a way that you can do that. We haven't yet reached that stage, but our one small town platform and our blockchain is very quickly bringing us to the point where we will be able to provide those opportunities for people who want to become active participants in the one small town initiatives, even though they live somewhere else. However, we do have the opportunity for what we call non-resident members. And non-resident members, I will do a separate video about, but I will spell it out here as well. Non-resident members is a very exciting new prospect for people that live in cities and towns around the world that are not in a one small town situation. A non-resident member is basically someone who wants to participate, who wants to make one small town a success, but they can't do it by participating and contributing their 3 hours. So the way they do that is they sign up as a member, and they sign up as a non-resident member where they buy Infinity tokens for a 12-month period. So they subscribe to Infinity tokens for a 12-month period at the price that they bought the Infinity tokens for 12 months, and that makes them immediately a non-resident member. So instead of contributing skills and talents, they contribute money, which helps the one small town office to operate and pay all the operating costs and manage this internationally. In return, that one small town non-resident member gets the benefit of the Infinity tokens at the same price that they started the purchase for 12 months. And after 12 months, that Infinity token could be worth 3, 4, 5 times as much. So they benefit that way. Secondly, if they ever choose to move to a small town or go to a one small town, they can, for example, decide, I'm going to go from London, I want to go to the one small town in Lebanon and stay there for 6 months. They can arrive in Lebanon, one small town, Ras El Matan, and say, hey, I'm here, I'm a non-resident member, and automatically with their membership card, they'll be able to log them in onto the system in the one small town that they go to, and they will automatically then become a member of that one small town because they are present, and they'll be allocated their 3 hours a week, and they can choose to do 3 hours a day, and for each 3 hours they get the Infinity token. And at the end of the month, they're eligible for their basket of goods, the distribution to get their basket of goods, and the dividends from the businesses, the equal share of the dividends from all the businesses. So there are very real benefits for members who want to become non-resident members.